Hi guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a PayPal Sandbox account. So to just go to the site, just type in Google PayPal Sandbox. This is the easiest way for you to find it. And the first link will be PayPal developer. So just go to this. Okay, over here we're gonna start and sign up. Just click on the sign up button. Okay, just over here you have to put your real email address, but for the address you have to put only US address. You cannot put UAE address or any other addresses. So if you don't have a US address, just create one, go to the internet and just look for an address and just click it there. Now I'm going to enter this information. Okay, so I entered my email address, I chose a password, I entered my name, name of the business, telephone number, and I just chose an address. And over here you have to type whatever is written here. Okay, agree and continue. Okay, so now we are in, but before we do anything here, we have to confirm our email. So just go to your email address. Okay, and in your inbox you should have this service@paypal.com. Confirm your email. Just click on it and click on confirm your email, and it will take you to the PayPal link. Over here you have to enter the password that you entered earlier. Okay, so over here you have to choose security questions. Just fill this out, choose your nationality, put whatever you want, choose the telephone number, enter the same phone number that you put earlier, so it's the best. Okay, so after you put this information, just click on submit. So there was some mistake in the telephone number, I entered another number, and we are on our way. So you activated your PayPal account, that's good. Just click here to continue with the bank details. Actually you don't need, just go here to go to my account. Okay, so you're here, and don't worry about the rest of the things. And now what we have to do, you're gonna log out from here, close this, and go to the first link that we were, developer.paypal.com. And you're already logged in, so there is no problem. Go here to application. Okay, application, and click on it. And over here go to Sandbox accounts, click on it. And by the way, for the people who doesn't know what the Sandbox is a testing environment for different websites, but here at the moment we are looking at PayPal Sandbox. So here, login with PayPal. Here you're gonna log in with the account that you just created. Not if you have any if you have any PayPal account, just don't put those. Just put the new one that you just created. Okay, just click on login and it will take you. There's my mistake, I put an I instead of U. Okay, just log in. Okay, so it's logging in. So note that here when you create the account, the business account, it will be here by itself, by default. Okay, so you don't need to create a business PayPal account. So we are going to make a personal PayPal account. And this is different from the email, from the account we just created. This is the fake account. So you cannot send email with these, you cannot do anything, you can just test your site. So here I'm going to show you in the next tutorial how to create a personal account. Okay, so now we are going to create a personal account. Just click here on create account over here. and the country will be US, and the type will be personal, and email address. Okay, so here in the email address, you do not have to enter a real email address. You can just create anything. For example, I'm going to say for AUD@AUD.com, and that's it. And the password, you can choose anything you want. So as I said, the email, you do not need to create a real email address. And the name, you can put whatever you want. I'm going to put my name. That's fine. And the payment balance, just leave that empty. Bank verified, click on yes. Don't forget to click on yes. If it's not on yes, just put it on yes. And select payment card, discover is fine. Credit card type, here you cannot choose any of these. I'm going to choose Visa because it's maybe the easiest, and create account. That's it. Over here I'm going to create only one personal account, but if you want to create more, you can do the same steps and create multiple personal accounts. And every time for the email address, you can just create anything. Okay, and here you have the green box here which says you just created a test account, which means that your account is working. And notice here I put AUD2@AUD.com. After I was creating this, there was a problem, so I had to change the email. If you make an email, it won't add numbers to it, so don't worry about that. So now we are going to your Medo account to put the settings there. After you log in, notice step 5 is set up your payment. Click on it. It will take you here. The first option is PayPal. Just go to edit. Click on edit. And over here, you need to write the email address. This email address is your business email address. Go to PayPal developer here. This email address. So just copy it and paste it here. That's it. So this is not the email address that you created at the beginning. This is the email address that the PayPal will create for you for the business type account. And don't forget here which says test mode, click on yes. If you click on no, it won't work. So don't remember, this is very important. Where it says test mode, click on yes, don't click on no. And the rest is just okay. And status, click on enabled, not disabled, so just enabled, and that's it. So you're good to go. And save. Okay, so now I'm going to my website that I created to just make a test. So this is my Medo website. I will gonna come here. I have one item over here. I'm gonna click on add to cart. I'm sure most of you know these steps, and just proceed to checkout. Over here, you're either a new customer which you have to register, or you already registered, so you don't need to go through all these steps again. I'm gonna enter my account details and click on login. And on the next video, you'll see how the rest works. Okay, so now I'm logged in. Choose the shipping method that is offered. Click on continue. In these steps, you're gonna put if there is any coupon or voucher or anything, and you're gonna choose the payment option and agree to the terms and continue. And over here it's gonna give you a summary of what you bought, and over here it's gonna give you the total, $10 for the product and $5 for the shipment, and confirm your order. Now it's gonna take you to the PayPal, And remember, if you didn't put the test over here, it wouldn't be sandbox.paypal. It would be the real PayPal, which wouldn't work. Just if you put the test mode, be relaxed, it will come automatically. You don't need to do anything. And over here, we are going to type the email address that we created for the personal use, which is aud2@aud.com. So I'm gonna put that here, and I'm going to type the password that I used and login. So after you logged in, you have to confirm this, agree and continue. And over here it's gonna summarize the shipment again, and it will show you a card that it will pick up for you automatically, because this is test. You don't need to put any card or anything. It's just gonna show you something here. And you're going to pay now. Okay, so you just completed the payment is done. And one more note over here. For the PayPal policy, one single transaction cannot be more than $10,000. For example, if you have 10 products in your cart, which the total is more than 10,000, you cannot do it in one single transaction. You have to go and do it over and over again. For example, you have to do it in 2-3 times. So don't put any products that are more than 10,000 in your website. So just over here, we can either go to the website, the one that I created, or you can go to your PayPal account. Over here, we are going to back to the website. Then after that, I'm going to show you what happened to the other things. Okay, so over here it's a thank you for your order. It's just confirming, and that's it. So now I'm going to show you in the PayPal how does this transaction shows. Okay, now go to sandbox.paypal.com, and over here enter the test email that you created. Now I'm going to first check it with the personal email, which is this. I'm going to enter the password and log in. Okay, here it shows the balance, and over here it shows the transaction. Payment to Milad GH test store, the one that I created. Payment status is complete and minus $15. So, and if you click on the details, it will show you the exact detail of the transaction. I'm not going to show you that. It's going to take a long time. Actually, it's here, so you can just check it yourself. You can play with it. So now I'm going to show you the other Sandbox account, the business account. So just here, click on log out, not the top part, because that's your whole account. So over here, just click on log out and click on login right now. Okay, so over here I'm going to put this email address. And login. Okay, something that I forgot. Over here, if you want to log in, you have to change the password, because it's going to give you a default password which you don't know at the moment. So just click on profile, change password, and choose a password, and click on save. Okay, password is updated. Okay, so now the password is updated, we can go to the Sandbox and log in. So the email address is that, just the password is the new one that you created. And click on login. So this is the business account. Okay, and over here it will show you the PayPal balance, and also, and over here it's gonna show you the transaction. And if you click on details, it's gonna show you the detail transaction, which is okay. So $10 for the shirt, $5 for the shipment, and also PayPal charges a fee. So it's gonna take that fee from the total amount. And notice something here. If you go to back to the overview, over here it says issue refund. For example, if there is anything wrong with the product, or the person who just bought it emails you and says that they don't need the product anymore and they want a refund or anything like that, or if, for example, for your store policy have a refund policy, you can just here click on issue refund, and it will refund this money back to the person's account. So just go and continue, and I'm just going to refund this to show you, and issue a refund. Okay, that's it. Refund complete. Okay guys, that's how you create a Sandbox account, how you create a business account. Over here, the business account is there, so you don't need to worry about that, and how to create personal accounts. So as I said earlier, you can create multiple personal accounts. So every time you just need to go to create account and type a different email address and check for the email address. If it says invalid, just try make up any email addresses until you get the valid email address. And you do not need to enter your real email address. Do not do that. Just put any email address. And I'm going to show you something. Over here, these email addresses will not receive emails or anything. But this is a test environment, and it will show you how, if it was a real email address, what emails it would get. So go to dashboard here. When you're in the dashboard, go to here, Sandbox notifications, over here. And here it will show you all the emails it sends to the business account and to the personal account. For example, here you just change your password. Over here, refund from this store to this personal account. If you click on it, it will say whatever it has to say. It will say that the $15 that you just purchased, it was refunded to you, and over here it will show you everything. So if you just want to go look at it, just double click on each one and it will show you the content of the email. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.